Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Let's have a look at this picture. Here we have an ISKCON temple for ISKCON devotees. We have several designs for this one, but this one is a little different unit. Different in terms of because this unit is going to Germany, and we have made this folding. Folding means in parts in DIY format. Now let me show you how to assemble the unit. The most important thing here is when we send the unit out of India, it should be easy assembly, not very difficult. So you need a carpenter to assemble it. So we have made it very simple that you can do with the help of a house help or someone from the house itself, and you can do it yourself. Now let's see here. This is the base part of the unit. This is 4 feet, 48 inches from left to right, 24 inches from front to back, and the height of the base is 36 inches, that is 3 feet. So 4 feet by 2 feet, and the height of the base is 3 feet. Now altogether when we complete the unit, it will go 8.5 feet high. Now we'll go for the assembly part, how it is done. Now here are all the parts that we have for this unit. Now this is a base plate that will go on the platform. This is the top part. These are all the pillars, and then we have the domes. Now how to identify which part goes which side? Now if we start from here, now you can see 3 peacocks on this one. This one is out, there is no pillar on the other side. So this one is the left one, and similarly a same pillar on the right side for the front part. Then we have other 2 pillars for the middle, and then the domes. We will start with the pillars first, and we'll show you how to assemble the unit. Now here, if you see, we have put a couple of numbers. This is number 2, this is number 3. So we'll start with the middle ones first. Let's put in the 3 number pillar. And similarly the number 2. The number is written over here and here as well. And the outer pillars, both sides. Now we have all the 4 pillars for the bottom part. Now the top pillars also. This goes in the slots. Here on the top. Now this bottom cabinet, this is done. Now the top, little adjustments just to make sure everything's fixed perfectly. This is done. Now I'll keep the domes on the top and our installation is done. And the installation is complete. This is the complete unit here. Now this comes with 2 bottom cabinets, diya tray, and 3 drawers. A very nice unit, all handcrafted, walnut with gold touch, and this is actual wood, not in fiber or any other material. Complete solid teak wood unit. If you want to change colors like white, gold, or other colors, that can be done also. If you want to alter the size, any other size you can provide, we can do that. The basic reason to do a DIY is to save on costs, because sending this big unit in one piece would be very costly. By making it a DIY folding unit, we can ship it in small packets to anywhere globally, and definitely we can save some costs on that. You can assemble it at your place with a little help from your local guys or someone, and you can assemble the unit like this. Once the structure is complete, it will sit in its place, because temples are not moved every day, so there will be no issues. If you want to make it permanent, you can put in a few screws and you can make it a permanent structure also. Altogether, this is the work we are doing. I hope you like it. A few comments would appreciate. Thank you.